Imagine standing on the absolute edge of a sheer cliff, the wind howling around you, your heart pounding in your chest. You step off, but you don't fall. Instead, you glide. You dive through the narrowest canyons, skim inches above roaring river rapids, and weave effortlessly through a dense, unforgiving forest, all at 70 miles per hour. You look left, you look right, you look behind you, and the world moves with you in perfect, absolute clarity. For years, this level of total aerial freedom was locked behind a massive wall. You either had to spend hundreds of hours crashing in simulators, learning how to solder broken wires, and risking thousands of dollars of gear every time you flew, or you had to settle for slow, cinematic drones that felt like flying a minivan. But those days are officially over. The rules of gravity, the laws of cinematography, and the very concept of what a camera can do have just been violently rewritten. DJI has just unleashed a machine that doesn't just capture the world. It completely swallows it. This is the DJI Avata 360, and it is about to make every single piece of camera gear you currently own feel like ancient history. If you think you know what an FPV drone is, you need to completely wipe your memory right now. Forget the shaky footage. Forget the blind spots. Forget the terrifying feeling of flying backward and praying you don't smash into a brick wall. What DJI has engineered inside the incredibly compact, armored shell of the Avata 360 is not just an evolution. It is a terrifyingly brilliant revolution in spatial capture. Today, we are tearing away all the marketing fluff and going incredibly deep into the absolute bleeding edge of drone technology. We are going to expose exactly how this little machine bends the laws of physics, why Hollywood cinematographers are quietly panicking, and why you will never, ever fly a traditional drone the same way again. Lock in, turn up your volume, and do not look away because the future of flight is here, and it is looking in every single direction at once. Let us start with the core problem that has plagued drone pilots since the dawn of the industry: the fear of missing the shot. When you fly a normal drone, your camera is a sniper rifle. You have to point it exactly at your target. If a bald eagle swoops in from the left or a drift car suddenly changes direction, and your camera is pointed even slightly the wrong way, the shot is gone forever. You missed it. The DJI Avata 360 takes that sniper rifle and turns it into a cinematic nuclear bomb. By integrating a custom-engineered, hyper-advanced dual-lens 360-degree camera system directly into the aerodynamic frame of an FPV drone, DJI has completely eliminated the concept of framing. When you launch the Avata 360 into the air, you are no longer flying a camera. You are flying a reality capture sphere.